Manifesting Jars Introduction. All of the things that you'll hear and see here are through spiritualanswersandsolutions.com. This is a very short audio. It's an introduction to the manifesting jars. Jar art and manifesting is what you'll find it under in our stores. If you're curious and would like to know more about it, look up psychicdiaryentries.com/manifesting jars. It's our blog. It comes out on the 11th and the 22nd of each and every month. And there's a great post about manifesting jars and what you can do with them and how to use them. Depending on the set that you have purchased or that you've downloaded, depends on what's in it. Each and every manifesting jar class is completely different. Some come with audios, hypnosis sessions, guided meditations, set your intentions, or creative visualizations. Others have different types of recordings. Some of the instructions you'll find in audio, and other times it's written. All of the ebooks that you'll download with your manifesting jars are in JPEG or PNGs. It makes it easy and lovely because they look great on any device, and you don't need a specific program to use them. All of them will come with some type of journaling prompts, journaling exercises, or even homework. If you don't have a journal, go get one at changesmadeeasy.com. We even have a line of journals that will match all the jars that you'll be making. In each and every manifesting jar set, as I've said, are all different. So some will come with worksheets, coloring sheets, different crafts, memes, different types of images. Some have affirmations or a bunch of do-it-yourself affirmations, notes. The crafts and the recipes, all the different exercises, are completely up to you with which ones you want to use or what you like. Even the printable pictures, the printable worksheets are up to you if you want to print them or if you want to use them as an idea to write in your own journal or to cut out different pictures and put them in your jars. Manifesting jars are great for people who are physical, that want to see what they're creating and want to touch it, to hold it, to cut things out, to be crafty. It's up to you how much you want to do or when you want to do them. Some of the jars are for an entire year. Other ones are created for you to remind yourself of what you want in your life, and other ones are specifically made for you to create it. If you've downloaded one that has a coupon or a special in our Body, Mind, and Soul shop, go to spiritualanswersandsolutions.com and scroll down. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of our different download stores. Click on Body, Mind, and Soul. It will open up, and that's the shop that you save 10% in. Take advantage of it. It's great. It will help you creating everything that you want. We also have a plethora of free complimentary sessions on YouTube. Just go to Changes Made Easy on YouTube and click on the guided meditation and hypnosis section, and you'll find a plethora of downloads of sessions for you to practice with, to use, to try, to learn self-hypnosis. They're wonderful. So depending on the manifesting jar that you've purchased, depends on what's in each and every one of them. So scroll through, look through your entire ebook before you start doing it. Follow the instructions and go through the audios if you've gotten any, and make sure that you're doing them or listening to them in the correct order. You can do this. It's fun, it's easy, it's a great way for you to spend some time with you and create the life that you desire. So again, if you have any questions or want to know about more about the manifesting jars, just go to psychicdiaryentries.com. Manifesting jars. It's our manifesting blog. So there's a post about manifesting jars. And it will tell you everything and anything that you need to know about it. And it will have all the live links. Because your book is in JPEG, none of the links that you see printed in there are live. So you actually have to type it into your search bar. Or just go to the blog post and they'll be there. So enjoy it. Take advantage of all the free sessions, the free ebooks, the free worksheets, so that you have everything that you need. And be sure to visit us on Pinterest. Changes Made Easy there too. You can find everything on Pinterest. Everything that you see here that you've heard about is through spiritualanswersandsolutions.com. So if you have any questions, just type that in and all of our stuff will pop up. So enjoy this session. Enjoy your manifesting jar. Practice it. Get excited about it. And plan on it working. Why? Because it does. Happy manifesting.